Hello, hello, everyone. Welcome back to another live stream session. Give me a moment. I'll just check things out before we start the live stream. Okay, what do we have? So we did take some losses today before we started doing the live stream. So let me just get into those trades. Today, price action of the gold is like for me, I don't think so. My things are working today. So we lost around 0.90% today. So first trade we had was here. Okay, let's jump to yeah, let's stay it on 15-minute time frame. Okay. So we have was this here. We took a buy. So why did I take the buys over here? Because we were going into London session and we had this push. Okay, this was equal push as the previous candle. We had bearish candle. So I thought momentum could shift and we could, retest this highs, and then maybe in New York session we can go down. But after this loss, I lost around 50 to 90, $150 or so. But after that, I had another trade here, sell. As you can see, this was the sell here taken. Here sell was taken. This was on 30-minute time frame, I think. Yeah. So you can see we did break below this area. So this was my sell stop. It got triggered here, and I was targeting this lows over here we had. But this trade, like it just went up, stop us out, and then it's now continue going down. So based on 15-minute time frame, my stop loss was pretty good. So here's the thing. Let me tell you. Okay, we had a trade on this here, break of this candle. Okay, and my stop loss was above these areas here. I mean, we had a two candle. After that, I put the stop loss above. So most likely this was a pretty good stop loss, but we still lost 0.25, 0.50%. And then I had a sell. I was like, okay, let's give another chance that, sell could go now as we are breaking the structure, most likely. And we had a closure nicely. The next candle is breaking the low, and yeah, it did break the low, went down a little bit, now it's coming back up again. So according to me, these price actions are like pretty wild. So what we're gonna do today is we already lost 0.90%, and overall we are down on this account. Let's see how much. Yeah, 98 700, so 1.25%, 1.30% or so. So overall we are down on the account is 1.30% or so. Okay, so let's do some fresh analysis we have. Let me remove this. Okay, so let's do some analysis. First of all, looking at the daily time frame, we have not break the highs of the previous daily candle. So I was expecting that to happen in London session, but we can do it in New York session. We can retrace this move, break the highs, and then maybe continue going up, or we can go down. So I did in the Discord group, I did said that looking at the 4 hour and daily time frame, if we break above these areas we have, or this another resistance we had here, okay, then most likely price will stay up. Okay, we are looking for buys then next week. So this move have happened. We have another 2 hours before this 4 hour candle do close. So looking at this area, we have a resistance. Let's do some market analysis on weekly and monthly time frame as well. Yeah, we have a damn, look at that. So we break the high of the monthly candle now. Looking going back to daily time frame. For us to respect those highs, we break the high over here, right? Hmm. most likely if we are looking for buys, then we should not. Let's target. Okay, this is the daily resistance we have here. This is the high we have, which need to be broken or it's respecting. Let me mark this as a lower, another resistance we have. These are some strong resistance. So if we are looking for sells, that would be below 2350. Let's go to 4 hour time frame. Let me just go here and these things and arrange the session properly here. Okay. So we have, if we get a closure below these areas, this is a strong area of a consolidation, most likely. Then we have a break above the structures. We are doing a retest of this zone right here, right now. 4 hour time frame looking like that. Yep. Most likely we are doing a retest of that zones. So now, as we did move like, you know, how much? How much was that move? Like 0.60%, even if we retrace 0.30% or so. Let's see what we can get. I was hoping that, you know, most likely we see uptrends after touching this key area. The reason I'm saying this is a key area is because here candle did flip bullish because of the news, right? And after that, it went through like crazily. So I'm hoping whenever price do touch those levels, I'm hoping there will be a huge another bull run, and yeah, that's what I'm looking for most likely. So let's see. So based on 4 hour, we have to draw these areas. Based on 1 hour, we mark some areas out. For an example, we have this zone here. Let's go to 30-minute time frame to verify it properly. So this is the support area we have over here. So if price need to go up, it's need to create a proper consolidation or support area before going up. So if you bounce off these areas, hmm, looking at the 15-minute time frame over here, yeah. So let's draw this area out. Here we have a resistance. Sorry. Hmm. Interesting. We already tap into this wick levels nearly. Oh, GU is breaking above over here. So yeah, let's take a look here. Let's see what we can do. Breaking above, breaking the high of the daily candle. 4 hour is breaking the high of the previous candle. We have a clean range to the top side till here. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, we are breaking above the zone already. We have a break of the structure here. 30-minute time frame, we have our setup. So we have 16 minutes left. So current 15-minute candle should be closing bullish. Okay, okay. If we do take a buy, how much we are risking? 0.20. Okay. Let's wait 1 minute before we take any trade on this pair because we have a clean range to the top end side. If we do push, we can target easily 0.80% or so. But let's see how much time we have for the new. It's 4, and do we have any news? Okay, we do not have any news today, so market will be. That's why. That's why the market is moving like this. I didn't check that. I didn't check that. If I have checked the news that there is no news, that's why we are moving just continuously going down. So for me to take a trade today, so I will take this as the last trade. High again, high. So what I'm looking for is GU buy. So if this current 15-minute candle close bullish here and do retest this lows and then break the highs or continue to break the highs, then that would be my trade here. Let's see. Let's see if we can get it. And there we go. So once we break the highs, I'm gonna take the trade. How's the 30-minute candle looking? Pretty nice. Okay, we are breaking the high over here. Okay, we are taking a buy over here, putting stop loss below these candles, lose 30%. This is around 0.30% in order to target the highs 4 hour time frame, which is that, yeah, most likely is percent. So this is a trade I'm looking for today. And this is keep in mind, guys, if you want, use a lower lot size if you have a real account or a funded account, because GBP USD moves really slow, okay, compared to gold and GBP JPY and price action like that. This moves really slow, so we're gonna wait and see how this price action do turn out, you know. So yeah, that's the thing. And today we have lost already 0.90%, I guess. So this is the last trade I think I will take, because looking at the gold, I do not think so I will get any chance to take a trade. We have already moved this much, and without news, it's hard to get a proper trade on that, right? Let's see, what do we have? If I have put stop loss below this candle, it's like 7 pips only. And if I move below this here, that's 0.60%, that's 10 pips. And we have move around, we have candle closure in 30 minutes. Oh, sorry, 30-minute candle, 12 minutes left. Okay, so let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame. How does prices still catching over here? So based on, let's take a look 1 hour. We had a break of structure here, right? Putting stop loss here will be like way better. Yeah, most likely this stop loss is way stronger than putting below current candle, because in 42 minutes, if its price is pushing this much, okay, let's take a look to the left hand side. We have, yeah, I think we can easily hit the target here. If price do, how much we can easily get is 0.50%. Okay, we got 0.50%. Most likely that is good. So yeah, I think this is the trade we are gonna stick with. It just we need to manage the risk. The only reason I'm saying that is because I have put like 0.60% stop loss, and today I'm not comfortable risking 0.60%, to be honest. So as soon as we are up here around like 0.50% up on this trade, I'm going to close partials and put stop loss at break even, because I need to be risk free, because I have risk 0.90% already today. So I'm not comfortable losing more than that on the funded account. Keep in mind, gold is not good today. So if you don't know what I mean, check the starting part of the live stream, so you will understand when I say gold is not good is because I have took already some trades. So this was a morning trade I took. Is like I took the buys because of the London session volume, but it didn't come through. So we are still continue going down based on the other trades that I took was here. Here first, I was like, okay, looking at the 15-minute time frame, we are breaking below this resistance, and this trade was on 30-minute time frame, breaking the low of the candle. We are in the downtrend. So I was expecting that price could easily, you know, go back down. But what it did is just hit our stop loss and then continuation of the trend. But after that, I was like, okay, let's give the chance to this trade if it's working out. But it didn't work out today. So we had some losses today, and I did share this with a Discord group. But most likely, it's okay. It's totally fine. We have our losses, we have our wins. So we're gonna wait and see. Today is not the day. Today is not the day you risk because we have not much volume. So this GU trade is the last trade I think I'll take today. So you may ask, what we're gonna do after this trade? Is we're gonna play games. That we're gonna play games because whenever we don't have a trade, we don't see there is not much volume. What we do? Play games. So yeah, that's the thing. Now we just need to wait, sit back, and relax. So people, if you have any questions, let me know. Like write it down, do something, and share your analysis with us. We're gonna talk about it, discuss about it. So share it with the chat. I hope my sounds is good and the screen it's not buffering or anything. Hope everything is fine. Let me know. Do you do live stream other than the YouTube? Currently not. I'm not doing live stream other than YouTube. I mean, like thinking of doing live stream with my Discord group most likely, but that's like after some period of time when we have a good amount of member in the group. At that time, most likely. Yeah. So we have Yusuf saying here in our Discord group that pull back to fill the fair value gap. I mean, to the red line, then knock down again. That's what he is taking a trade based on. But I mean, yeah. So guys, if he is watching the live stream, I mean, could be because I don't trade ICD or SMC concept yet. I mean, it's not like I don't trade or anything. I have understand it, but I don't like to yet trade that. I just first want to be profitable enough with the current strategy I have. I still don't count myself as a profitable trader. So I'm doing this. I'm doing my best on it. I'm working on it. Let's hope we do get it someday. How are we gonna manage our risk? Let's see. Let's see how we're gonna manage our risk if trade doesn't work out. Okay. So we have 35 minutes left before the 1 hour candle closure. And looking at the 30-minute time frame currently, we have 5 minutes left before this 30-minute candle to close. So if this candle stays above these areas we have, okay, if this candle stays above this resistance we had, then we are good. Then we are good. Then we can hold a trade. But let's say if this candle closure below these areas here or nearby areas, most likely we like to close our partials on this trade and see if we can manage our risk. So right now, if you ask me what I'm looking on gold, as looking on the 15-minute time frame, we are rejecting resistance. But if we get a closure above this area, most likely we can see a continuation till this area. So that's still like 0.90%. We have 71% client of C trader are in sells and 29%. So last time when we had the NFP, like before the NFP, we had only 10% who were buyers and 90% are the sellers. Like 10%, like how much money that they have made in that buys. Wow. So price did what most of people were not expecting. It went up. So 10% people, congratulations. You again won. And 90% we lost. We lost. How? How did we lose? We lost because we were like, we don't let's see, let's take a look at our past history, current month. So we started with profit, still in profit. Then on the day of NFP, we made some losses like 0.50% or so. Then after that, on the time of NFP, we took one trade that wiped out all the profit we had. And after that, we had a losing streak. So what we do? What we do? We wait and see where can we find the best setup to stay profitable. So currently on this account, we are down around 1.30% on this funded account. So our target is like basically just go slowly. We don't want to risk like much. Tell me, people, do you think that we're gonna lose this trade? Like price could easily, flip bearish at this point? Tell me, tell. I mean, for me, if we close above this resistance, we had a first closure, we break the high, we are still above the resistance, and this candle did break the high. So if we stay above this resistance, then I think we have a pretty good chance for price to move up. So that's what I'm counting on, most likely, that we stay above the resistance. We have 1 minute 50 seconds before the 30-minute candle do close. I don't know, it's a Monday, I'm not sure. I mean, yeah, that's true, it's Monday. We are not expecting much volume, so this trade is going to be a little bit longer than what I expect. This trade could take 2 hours or so, maybe more. I don't know. we have 40 seconds left before this candle to close. And that's good that we are still above the resistance. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, we are still respecting the highs over here. We broke the highs, so pretty good trade. We are still good on this trade. As long as the next candle does not break the low we have. So now, as we were risking like 0.60% on this trade, what we like to see, if the next candle do break the high, I'm gonna move my SL to 1.2818 or so. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. What do we have? We had a closure. We are breaking the highs. So let's move stop loss to the current candle low, 0.30% or so. And yeah, we are managing risk at this point. Just our target is this high we have on the 4 hour time frame. At least if even if we get 0.50% on this trade, I'm gonna close partials. Because we are up around 2 pips. Even if we get 10 pips, how much is it? So here we will get around 10 pips. So I think I'm gonna close partials at the point when we hit these areas we have. So we have gold. So this 1 hour candle will close in next 28 minutes. So it's pretty important that we stay bullish at this point. Even if this candle do close respecting the resistance, that's a pretty good, uh, you know, pretty good for our trade to possibly play out in the next long run. So gold is breaking the resistance over here at this point, new with a new 15-minute candle. So I think we can continue to the top side. Oh, wait a second. So remember what I said about the move that I was expecting here? That price closed similar to like this, and I was expecting that price could go up. We have a same move here. So if this candle is breaking the high, most likely what I'm expecting is to go higher, like around this resistance. That's what I'm expecting most likely. But keep in mind, like if I take a buy here, I need to risk this will be too much. But if I take a look at the 15-minute time frame, I still need to risk 0.50% again. So that will bring me to a daily loss of 1 point. If I lost the trade 1.50%, and we already have one running trade. Okay, this one. Until or unless I can make this trade risk free, I do not think so. I can take this trade. Like, this is like too much to, risk. I know I can easily target this high, 0.60% could be easily mine, but you need to consider that price could easily flip, reject, and then continuation of this trend we have, and at least come to this zone that I'm expecting price will come in the future. What I think is like when we started the uptrend here, because of this news, NFP, I'm expecting that price could easily hit these areas again before going up. But most of the time, what price do is does not come to the exact point. Is just leave a trace like a little bit above that point. So that's like it count as still as an uptrend. It recover like 70 to 80%. and then it started going to the top side. How about making back that 1.3%? I mean, I would love to, but I would love to do it in a long run, right? I can easily put the like bigger lot size and but we don't know. We can easily lose more than that. I mean, like, do you have something to say like similar? But it was a half sentence. I don't understand what you mean. How about me? Like that 1.3%. So we have this 30-minute candle is flipping bearish. We have still 24 minutes left before this candle close, so we're gonna wait. People, if you're watching the live stream right here, right now, do leave a like at least and subscribe to us. We do live stream every day. We are all here to learn things. So that's what it's about. You know, we learn things. We learn from our losses. We learn from things that we had done mistakes or anything. If this current 1 hour candle flip bearish, that means we are most likely to, count this as a fake out and price will be coming back down. So let's go to 15-minute again. What do we have? Price is rejecting. So with a strong, what do we had that? Do we had any kind of any sort of a resistance also? I don't think so. Looking at the left hand side, we have a clean range for price to continue going up. Even if we do not target that much, we can easily target 0.60 pips or so, right? Pretty good. We have 30 by 15-minute candle closing below the zones. Oh no, we still have a 7 minute left. So as long as we are staying above this line, we're good, We're risking around 0.30%. Price is rejecting. Whenever we have this strong rejection, I don't know what we can do here. I mean, I can still manage my risk close 50%, but I don't think so that's necessary here. Price did reject. Okay, look at that. So, yep, this candle lit flip bearish. We have still 21 minutes left. Most likely, we're gonna move from here to here. Pretty good. Pretty nice. GU, we're gonna hit stop loss, I think. Okay. So yeah, that will be count as another loss today. How much we're down? 1.5. Damn, look at that. This is one 5 minute candle. It just took down. I mean, the reason yet why this happened. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, we had a clear bullish momentum. We already moved this much, breaking the highs over here. Look at this. We break above. We are still continue going up. Retest its zone, break the high. So I was expecting it could easily, still go up, but nope. Gold is nicely nice. Look at that. So yeah, I think we are done. We are done for the day. I don't think so. I'm gonna risk more than that today. We had our trades. We're good. I mean, obviously, we're going to continue the live stream, but I do not think so. I'll prefer taking more bets than this. We have 3 minutes left before this candle close. So, like, if guys, if you're looking to take a trade, this could be potential a good setup here. Let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame. They are breaking the law of the Kelvin already did that. This is a new 1 hour candle. If it flip bearish, we're gonna continue till here. So how much is that? Let me let me see. So if we flip bearish from here, we can easily go down till here. So that's like 0.50%. Yeah, thank you, brother. I mean, obviously, like if I right now if I trade again, then I'm sure I will. What I will do is like keep trading because here's the thing, like for the past, let's say last 3 months from our s- started the stream, started this funded account, we had a nice week, we had a nice 2 weeks, and then we had a losing streak. That's totally fine for me, right? I'm down $1,600 for 2 weeks. Most likely people do blow their account. I'm, I think, obviously, yeah. So there we have our dashboard. Where my best days were on Monday. Let's see. Let's take a look at your answer here. Let's bring this up. What do we have? Let's let me open calendar over here so I can I can see if my best days were on Monday or not? Most likely, I don't think so. If I remember correctly, I do not think so that my best days were on Monday. Let me take a look here. So let's say we started on 21st 06, right? June, we had Saturday, the time when I started, I think we had losses, some, and I had, so this was 21. What I mean, 21 was it? What was it? 2106, that would be June 21. Yeah, we had Sunday, then we had 24. I don't know what I'm looking for. Yeah, June here. Oh, 21. So I started on Friday, then we had Saturday, then 24 was Monday. 24, I had losses. Yep. So not a good day. Let's see. Let's take a look at next Monday. What was it? Was July? Sorry, did you guys? Sorry. So yeah, we're checking if we had our best. So first July, what do we had on the first day? Let's take a look. We had a first day, we had some profit. We made around 0.70%. So yeah, we had a one good Monday. Let's see. Next Monday is today. So we made losses today. So I think not the, I can say the best from, for me, like I just wanted to confirm the things. I mean, agreed. Like I can surely take that advice into consideration that, you know, taking most likely your trades on after Tuesday. But I can say like my best day, most likely, if I remember correctly, my most best days were on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. Both of these 3 days are the best days for me because I know the trend. I have, you know, I understand the market properly on these 3 days properly. So let's see what was the mistake that we did today's trade. And another thing, it's Monday, and just Saturday, Sunday went by. Most likely because of that, I took two trades today. No, not two. I took three trades, right? How much trade? This was the first, this was the second. Yeah, I give another chance of that. That third, this was a fourth trade. Damn. Nope, not gonna take any other trade than this. I trade Monday, then in NY session. I think that's what you mean. I mean, agree. I should have. I think you should focus on your best days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays. Experiment with other days. I think that's true. Like I know my best days. I know my best time to trade. So today I did went out of that. So most likely, whenever I do take a trade, is I check the time. That should be in a London session, 1 p.m. or 1:30. That would be. So my first trade was on that time. My second trade was not at that time. This trade was out of my time period. Okay, so I think that was my first mistake that I took the trade like out of my periods. Then we had another trade, same thing, out of my time period because I take 1:30 or 2 p.m. That was will my first trade for London session. Second trade will be in New York session. That should be in 1 hour. I think yeah, today I made a mistake that I did went off my schedule and took the trade. Yeah, I don't think so. I'm gonna take any other trade. I'm just gonna wait. Why do we have gold open here? I don't trade US 30 gold. So most likely, I think we're gonna wait here and just check the market out today. I don't think so. We should make any move other than this trade we have already taken. Yep. I mean, I think I'm done for today. I will be taking. I will most likely just see the trades in NY session. I do not think so. I will take any trade more than this one because see, I took 4 trade, which I have never done till now. You know, so I think if I take another trade, that will count as another trade, like 5 trade a day. Not the thing I'm looking to do right now. So most likely, I'm just looking if my analysis, if my things are correct. That's it. I'm not looking to any other trades. So most likely, 5 to 10 minutes after an NY session start, I'm gonna go and play games or maybe continue the live stream and play games here. You know, that's what I'm. So let's see what we have. 4 hour candle will be closed. Still have 2 hour left. 1 hour candle will close in 5 minutes. 30 minute 5 minutes. So if you get a bullish, where are you from? I'm from India. I'm from India. I was born in India. I was brought up to Gujarat. Uh, so yeah, well, that's it. If we get, so 5 minutes left for this 50 minute, 30 minute, and 1 hour candle to close. If we get a closure above these areas, most likely what we can see is the retest or next candle do a retest and rejection of this resistance we have, and then continuation of the upside till 2377 at least. So that could be a good trade. But keep in mind, I'm just doing the analysis. I'm not advising you to take the trade, as right now I'm not taking that trade because we have already lost, you know. So no trades. No trades. I'm not gonna do the over trading thing. Where I am from. When people ask me where I'm from, I just get one question. What will you do if I tell you that I'm from there and I'm from here? I mean, does it even make sense? Sometimes. Just when someone new comes to the live stream, it just one question. Where are you from? Man, I can be from anywhere. I can be in the any part of the country and I can still do the live stream. Last year I was in Paris. Yeah, but that's a different thing that I didn't have the time to do the live stream at that time. I think I'm still planning to do something. Tell me, people, would you like to see a blog post like sharing their journey, trading journey, people sharing their trading journey or something like that on a website? Tell me, tell me your opinion. What is the thing that is necessary when you trade and you're looking for it? Or maybe for especially for trading community, what we can build, what we can do for you that will, you know, be a good thing for you. So let's take a look here. Okay, we started from the account last time. We had a highest we went is 3%. Okay, it's been 16 days. Currently, we are down 1.67, 65%. Our win rate is 50%. So, what do we have? Our average win profit factor, our worst trade that was NFP trade had $2,430 loss. Really good. Really nice. We were doing the Raja Bank casino thing. One minute left. Let's see. Let's see how do we get the candle closure. Nice. So in 35 seconds, this candle will close. Keep in mind, we did break the high of the candle. If we are respecting the highs over here and the new candle do open up with a wick, okay, this candle should have a wick and then we should go down, reject the zones we have, and then we can see the continuation of the upside till how much? Let's see if this candle in next 10 seconds, how this candle will close. Let's see where it will. Okay, we need to see a rejection that would be $240, 0.20%, and we can target the highs 0.80%. Will we take this trade? Oh, absolutely fucking not. Is this trade idea a good opportunity? Yes, because keep in mind why this trade is a good opportunity. We had 1 hour candle closure that is a bullish candle. Okay. So if this candle do break this highs, we can at least expect that this candle will have volume to go 30 pips, you know. So even if you can get 15 pips out of that, that's still win-win. Give me a moment, I'll just get a call and be back. Oh, accidentally I just closed the screen. Hello, hello. Okay, what do we have? Yep. So we have break the highs, the 15-minute time frame. So okay, we are rejecting, I think now. 30-minute candle close bullish. Nice one. Yep. Most likely, I think we can see at least 30 pip movement here. We get a closure below again. Oh my god. When we are in a consolidation zone. As of right now, I don't think so we will take any trades. So should we just play games or what we do? I mean, actually, I do not want to play a game right now. I have something to do. I guess I will head off. I do not have, you know, any trade ideas or I mean trade ideas are there, but I don't want to take the trade, so I'll head off here and we'll be back tomorrow. Let's let's see what we can do tomorrow. Till now, thank you for being part of this trading journey. I see you on the next live stream. Till then, take care. Bye bye.